Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on Claude AI. And if you want to do this, we can do this on two ways, just with our email address or with using our Google account. So for today, I will show you how to do this with an email address. So I'm filling in right here my email address, and then after that we click right here on continue with email. Then they're telling us to continue, click on the link that they sent to your email address. So we will do this real quick. There it is. Then we click here on sign into Claude AI. There we are. Now we click right here on I agree to Anthropic's consumer terms and acceptable use policy. And then we do create account. Then fill in right here your day of birth. Continue. Fill in right here our phone number. Then we do send verification code. Then right here we can select which subscription or which plan we want to use. So you can decide for yourself what you want to do. But for today I will use right here Claude for free. That's awesome. Then right now they're telling us get the most out of Claude on your desktop. So we can download it for our desktop. But right now I want to continue. So we do skip. And then we do continue again. And then we need to give them my name. Now my name is Tommy. That is fine. And then we are telling them that I want to do business and strategy. That is fine. Then we do maybe, no, I have my own topic. That is fine. And there we are, guys. Now we can use Claude AI right here to start and working with. And this is exactly how you can create yourself an account on Claude AI. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.